Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a TNT tunnel bore slash diamond mining machine in Minecraft 1.15.2 and later. Ever since Ilmango's version broke in the 1.15 update, there hasn't been a tutorial for one of these on YouTube. This design by Pulse and slightly modified by me is a pretty good version that works in the current version of Minecraft, and this is what I'll be showing you how to make today. This machine has a length of 21 blocks, has a height of 6 blocks, and will have a width of at least 4 if you want to build one duper, and you add 7 per extension. So using that, you should be able to determine the size of the hole you need to dig underground. So what is the purpose of building this machine? Well, other than to dig straight holes infinitely in one direction, it's used to mine ores. Since diamond is non-renewable and redstone is kind of hard to get in the game, and they can both be found at similar Y levels, if you build this between those, it's a very easy and fast way to get a lot of diamonds and redstone, and other ores if you want. A couple little tidbits about this machine. You generally want to build it above Y equals 10, because that's where lava starts, and you don't want to be clearing it. And it makes a 9 block tall hole. I'll be giving an example of how it works right now. As I mentioned, here's a 9 block tall hole and the general look of what it will look like. Now, to start it, pretty simple. You can stand here and click on the no block. There you go. One more time. Fires the TNT forwards, holds it there, and shoots it forwards and blows it up. And now we'll start building. You want to start with your redstone block at Y equals 12. That'll be your first section. Next up, you want to place a redstone block 3 blocks away from the sticky piston and continue as so. And that'll be your next section. For this next step, it's very important that you build it in this exact order or it might break. There you go. Next, we're going to take redstone and place it here and here. You want to make sure you do that last, or the pistons are going to be updated and this whole thing is going to kill itself. Now we can see if it moves forwards when you click on this. Looks good. One more time. Okay, we're all set. On to the next step. Here's a quick step. Now, if you guys don't have honey, this could be slime. It would probably work just as fine. I just like it because it keeps you in place when it's moving. Next step is going to be the TNT duper, which looks like this. Make sure you place the rail facing this way. And make sure you do not place your TNT here, but place it here. And that's it. The reason we placed our TNT here and not here is because if we did place it here, this activator rail would power it and it would just blow itself up. So instead, now we can move the machine forward 1. And as you can see, the TNT didn't blow up, And now we can actually duplicate TNT. And here's the next section. And that's it. And last but not least, for these trapdoors, you want to make sure they're within this block and they're not like that. And with that, your first module should be complete. Alright, let's make sure it's all good and give it a test. All good. So you can stand here when mining and then just wait it out. Nice. So now I'm going to show you how to expand it out infinitely. You're actually going to need 6 blocks. I messed up earlier. And this can be done one at a time, or you can build every single one of them at the same time. Should not be an issue. To start, you want to make sure that you break this redstone block here, or again, the entire contraption is going to break. So you start out by placing these blocks here. Now like this. You can hold shift there so you don't actually click on that. Just like that. Again, these redstone blocks go last in this step or it will break. Then you want to put pistons into each slime block. And that's your extender module part done. Here's the last step. And now we're done. Okay, now last step would be to build your TNT duper, just as I showed you before. Same thing with this little launch area. For example, you'd start off like that. It's exactly the same. And if you wanted to continue building more, to build this thing, again, you'd come out 3, just like this, from this block here, and put a redstone block. Then you're going to want to copy it from here on. It'll be the same. You add the note block here, and you can build it out to as big as this one is here. I didn't build the rest because whatever, but it will work the same. Thanks for watching.